Hey everyone, Spencer Kaufman here with How To Video Channel. Today I'm going to show you how to take off or remove a P-trap on a sink. So here we have a kitchen sink and we've got this little trap. The first thing you want to do is take a bucket, get it underneath, because even if you don't have any water backed up in the sink, there is still going to be water in here. You do not want that all over the place. I mean, if you do, that's fine, but I certainly don't. So the way to do this with the minimal amount of water leaking everywhere is to remove this one first, then that one, because if you remove that one first, this water is going to keep pushing and it will push right out this gap, and then it's going to be spraying everywhere until the water comes out of the pipe. So remove this one first. The reason is because this top pipe should extend at least until this little collar or lip here. So the water, if you remove this, should not be squirting back out of this joint or this connection. And you can see here, it's not. There's no water coming out. You can even remove that little seal to help keep that out of the way. Nothing happening. Let's pull this down a little bit. This is just for demonstration. You wouldn't do this, but you can see here, no water, because that goes down probably about to here. Now, when you remove this back one, what's going to happen is you will get some spray, so you want to remove it kind of quickly. I'll show you what I mean. If you go slow, you can see it just starts dripping a little bit. There's no spraying. What's going to happen now, though, when you remove this, this is going to fall into this bucket, and the water will pour out of here, and you'll get some pouring out of this pipe a little bit, just because that's a downward pipe. So we'll remove that. There we go. Drops in, just like that. All the water here, empty, nothing in there, nothing in that pipe, and then you have whatever water was in the trap. So get that, dump it out, and there you go. So that is it. That is how to remove a P-trap from a sink, and if you needed to clean it out, then you can clean this. If you need to remove any other pipes, unscrew them, and away you go. So that's that. If you have any questions or comments, please post them below. In addition, hit that subscribe button, like button, and bell icon to stay tuned to more videos from How To Video Channel. Thank you.